report from the Boarding News Center. We bring to you a flashback of incredible experiences that the residences of Pathways World School had to offer in the month gone by. So let's dive into the enriching events that filled our moments with memories and lessons.
I, Sayan.
And I, Shruti, will be your reporters for the day.
We began the month with special meals that allowed boarders to embark on a culinary adventure. To mark the end of the Under-19 ISSO Basketball, the students came together for a special dinner at Han. This was an occasion to enjoy delicious delicacies and foster a sense of unity among the residences while celebrating the efforts of our school basketball team in the competition.
The very next day, marking Gandhi Jayanti, our boarders participated in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. They ventured into the beautiful Aravalli Hills and undertook a mission to clean up the forest. Empathizing with the importance of environmental responsibilities as a sweet reward for their efforts, they were treated to some delicacies, which added an extra layer of joy to the expedition. This experience was more than just an adventure, it was a lesson we bear towards our environment. The day also followed with our boarders enjoying a diverse array of mouth-watering food items in their outing to barbecue times, where they savored flavors from around the world and created memories.
As usual, the Saturdays in the residences welcome newly crafted activities for everyone that celebrates diversity and engagement. On the 14th of October, Mekong Residence transformed into a hub of creativity and cultural fusion. Students came together to celebrate a unique integration of Halloween and Dussehra, creating a memorable mask-making activity. The room buzzed with excitement and enthusiasm as students shared art supplies and ideas. Han had a spooky storytelling session to match the same festive fever and zeal. It wasn't just about mask making or narrating stories, it was about fostering collaboration among the boarders. These masks and stories, beautifully created, not only captured the essence of Halloween and Dussehra, but also symbolized the strong bonds within the boarding community. The activity was a celebration of sharing, caring, and leaving a lasting impression on everyone involved.
Switching gears to the Zambezi residence, on the very same day, our boarders from grade 9 to 12th gathered to celebrate the upcoming festival of Diwali. They did so through a unique and eco-conscious poster-making activity. The primary aim was not only to express their artistic talents, but also to raise awareness about celebrating a more environmentally friendly Diwali. We saw traditional Diwali scenes illuminated with the earthen lamps along with thought-provoking messages that urged us all to reduce waste and pollution during the Festival of Lights. What made this event truly memorable was the way it brought students from different grades together. They bonded over creative ideas, collaborated on their artworks, and celebrated Diwali in a meaningful and artistic way.
Lastly, from the 17th to the 21st of October, we celebrated each day of the week as the Dussehra Mahotsav. It was a week filled with cultural immersion and festivity. Each day during this event, students acted out little clips from the Ramayana, celebrating the rich tapestry of our festivals and cultural traditions. It was a journey through time and tradition, beautifully performed by our talented students. In the grand finale, we celebrated the victory of good over evil by burning the figure of Ravan. The evening was filled with warmth and festivity as we enjoyed Dandiya night with a special dinner party that had everyone dancing and celebrating the bonds we share. These events have strengthened our bonds, taught us about collaboration, responsibility, and the joy of sharing. We eagerly look forward to more enriching experiences as such.
This brings us to the end of the ride, but not to worry, we will be back with lots more very soon. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the heart of our school residences. Until next time, stay tuned for more incredible experiences and memories we create as a community.
We end here to see you next month for the Boarding News Center. Thank you.